Boom, boom, boom. Trade recap, trade recap. It's Monday, no news Monday. I'm gonna show you what I took today, or what I should have took. I fucking missed. Yeah, I was looking on the charts the whole day, but let me just market open. All right, yeah, all right. Show you how I built my bias. All right, coming into the day. When I see this 4 hour potentially get hit, so I had this 4 hour marked, and we were just kind of chilling in that range. Had that 4 hour. I mean, I'm bullish because we are respecting bullish PD arrays, disrespecting bear, respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. Yeah, like we're inversing these 15 minutes. This 15-minute gets inverse, so we're fucking bullish. You know, I mean, nothing's really telling us we're bearish. So, thought process going into the day. So, market opens. Just go up, chop down. We were just ranging. And at this time, so we're building LR that's gonna fucking get hit eventually. And ES at the time, yeah, isn't doing shit. And these were the conditions I wanted us to get hit first for me to take a long. So I saw these equal lows right here that I wanted to get hit, and like look, we would just keep on filling the swings, keep on going back up, not even taking these lows, making equal lows. We're just ranging, so just waiting for us to break out, in which I wanted us to break out right here. So waiting us for breakout, and then boom. This also aligns with 9 a.m. Yeah. So aligns. So we with the 9 a.m. candle, the new 4 hour opens, and we open low. So this is a good it's a good sign that we are gonna like looking good for long. So 9 a.m. opens low, boom, we get traded into this 15-minute bearish, and this was fucking solid continuation. So we have this 15-minute unfilled gap that we come and trade into, and then we get immediate V shape out of that. And we got the from the initial one, boom, we get the resweep, so that's the money resweep. Boom, highest time frame was this 2 minute. And honestly, I don't even know why I didn't take this. I could have just broke even at this under 5. And I just kind of got caught up because you know, I don't know if I was paying attention, but by the time I did notice, I'm like, this was solid. I mean, I'm already like, I think we're already like, yeah, we're already right there. Yeah. Then again, then what tricked me was because in that singular leg there's a 3 minute, and then there was a 5 minute right above it. But I mean, I could just take the lower time frame, which was this 2 minute, and then break even at that 5 minute, and then I'm already a risk-free trade. And boom, TB got hit right there within fucking 5 minutes. Like, easy ass trade, easy continuation trade to tell. And at this point, ES takes these lows, so we have a huge SMT right here. But honestly, I was being picky because the 4 hour on ES was right there, but everything else aligned. I was just being picky. Yeah, because look how low we went. I don't know, okay, wait, never mind. It doesn't show on ES, but this is where we were at that time. It was almost there, so it's kind of being picky like that. But I mean, it was A+. I should have took that. That was the play of the day. My model, that was the play of the day. That was the only thing that should have been taken. Now I was kind of bummed about that. So I was like, let me just get myself to 10 a.m. So we just kind of, after taking that high, trying to take a continuation back right here once we put in this SMT. I wanted to take a continuation, but the fit was just so ass, so I'm like, I'm just not going to take it. Then we actually, I think that got break evened. If I would have taken it, but the fit was trash. Then I think we're just ranging inside this 5 minute. There's nothing really presenting itself. So once we got the resweep again in this 5 minute, there was no SMT, but I mean, I was just still confident and long. So we were still in the side, like, so we had already inversed this 5 minute, and then we inversed this one. But I mean, I'm still confident in longs at this point. I think we're at EQ that range as well. So I took a 2 minute inversion. What is it, 2 minute or 3 minute? Okay, no, I took a 3 minute inversion. Yeah, 3 minute inversion. Oh my god, I gotta stop this. 3 minute inversion that got break evened. Because once we kind of came up and swept out these highs, ES already took out these highs. So I'm like, okay, now I'm trading against an SMT that could potentially just reverse this. In which that's what it did, and we left this LR up here. But I mean, there's an SMT right there. So I was still kind of confident in like longs. But I was just like, okay, nothing looks good right now. Even for continuations lower, like we are kind of bearish now to these lows. But I mean, nothing like, I think there was a 5 minute I did miss. There was a continuation probably up here, but I mean, I wasn't on the charts. I went to go run. But I think, yeah, 1 p.m. we opened high, so could be expecting a low close. But yeah, okay, yeah, I took a trade right here. This was my, did I take a trade right here? I marked it out. I had to take a trade. What time was that? 1:48. No, I didn't take a trade right there. I think I just had that shit marked out. I think I like forward tested it, but that shit fucking didn't do shit. But yeah. And then so just now I'm trading power hour. So this is whole PM. So I give myself this condition. I want to see these lows get taken out. And I think that aligned with ES resweeping the 4 hour. So yeah, okay. So I saw ES. I'm like, okay, like I'll just try to take something up, because I was still confident in this LR. Like I was like, bro, ain't no way we like leaving these equal highs and shit, relative equal. So ES at that time, yeah, traded back into this 4 hour. And I wanted to take something up, and then we failed to come back again. So I'm like, okay, let me just wait for this to get fucking resweeped. Oh, okay, no. I think NQ reswept this shit. Okay, yeah, so M and Q reswept this shit, so we have an SMT at this point with those lows while inside of a 4 hour on ES. So I'm like, okay, like I'm bullish. Like if I'm gonna take a long, it's gonna be right here at this point. And this one was more discretion, with more discretion, just cause like we did get an inverse too. So after we swept out that low, this is the inverse. So stops below this, you're still good. Like you would have banked on this trade, but like I just didn't like the delivery. Like with this inverse, I would have wanted a follow through after. So I was just kind of waiting. So I like honestly I traded emotionally a little bit right there. So I kind of got out, got in. I'm like, okay, I was just tanking my P&L, doing some stupid shit. I'm like, okay, like let me chill, let me wait for confirmation. So I give myself this 1 minute CISD, and once I got that close above, I was like, okay, I like this, and I put stops like right here. I'm confident in that. We have a SMT. I'm like, let's just let it run, be patient. And boom, we displace up, and boom, had a seek and destroy. But I don't think, okay, I got stopped out on my alpha account. My fill was right there on my alpha account. No, yeah, okay, I got stopped out for break even on my alpha account, because I was already break even, and my fill was better on top step, like around like right here. Yeah, around right here. So it's better on. So I'm still on my top step. Honestly, like I was targeting all this LR. Like I was confident in all this LR, but the 250 fucking macro fucked us. But I got stopped on my alpha. I re-enter with this 1 minute inverse. I'm like, okay, I'm still down to re-enter if we get bought back up, in which we did. Get that nice fill 1 minute inverse. I was in after that on my alpha, but I had stops at these lows now. And then I got broke even, risk-free trade, and we're just trading higher. And I took a partial on my top step right here, so I was already break even for the day, and the rest is just profit. And we're start getting bought back up slowly. And honestly, it was looking good. And then 310 hit, cooked me on my NQ, because that's when market closed, and I just closed that on my alpha manually. This one was, yeah, SMT dipping back inside of a 4 hour. We were ranging, so this was kind of like a PDI model. Displays out of the accumulation, get the inverse back up. But I mean, that shit didn't deliver for fuck shit. But I took about, this is the trade I should have only have taken though. This was fucking solid, because if I compare this trade and the confluences with this trade right here versus these, it just doesn't compare. Doesn't compare to fucking these. Yeah, this was A plus. I'm not gonna lie. I just got caught up because NQ took out this low. Huge divergence in price. Immediate V shape. But look at that. Take it to the recent buy side. Fucking greening. But yeah. Yeah, this one was solid too. V shape out of that. Honestly, I wanted to take a mech as well. But, and we displaced from it too, like. I wanted to take a mech after coming into this unfilled 1 hour. It's right here. Let me remove this. Yeah, I wanted to take a mech though with this. But I mean, I had no execution. Even on the 32nd, there was nothing solid. And look at this point. Immediately after this point, look how much we displace. From getting into this 1 hour, like, it's the way, like, bruh, should be moving. But yeah, I wanted to take this to like a, I think we were in a 5 minute already, so I was gonna take it to the second unfilled 5. Yeah. And we would have, like, yeah, like if there was like an inversion between this leg, or I was also honestly waiting for the resweep. Like if we were to get a resweep, never did. Just my motto, my execution wasn't there, and then I would have break even right there, and look, that would have got hit. But we just continued lower, but reswept this low. SMT inside of 4 hour, accumulated, and then we're ready to displace. It was power hour though, so this shit fucking ran that shit for me. But yeah, those are the trades I took. Was up around 400 a day. No News Monday, good for No News Monday though. I've been solid for No News Monday.